This is the TR100 control unit. This unit uses a standard 110 plug-in. You got your main power switch right here, your leads go into the machining head, start stop button, arc timer, voltmeter, retract, alarm messages for drill depth, contact, and over temp, power, low, medium, and high, axis up, down, and stop, as well as a chart on the top that gives you power recommendations and procedure. This is the machining head. Comes with a magnetic base, adjustable height, swivel on the head, adjustable drill depth setting, grounding clamp, and a 6.5mm drill chuck. Here we have a small work tank and water unit that we built for working on smaller parts. A couple things you want to check before you start drilling is that you got a solid ground. Anything loose between where you're drilling and where you're grounded can cause arcing. Another thing you want to check is your drill depth. Set the knob up here for how deep you want it to go before it stops, and that'll keep you from going too far. For flushing, there's a couple different ways you can go about flushing with your TR100. The easiest way is probably this, with just a constant flow over the top of the workpiece. This can be done on small parts and especially larger parts that are harder to submerge. The only downfalls to this is it doesn't drill quite as fast, and as you start burning, you get a little bit more splash up from the arcing. Second method of flushing is completely submerging the spot where you're drilling. Small parts, this is easy. Larger parts, you can use the chemical clay in the kit or all silicone along with some other material you got laying around to build a dam around the workpiece. Submerged flushing, biggest advantages is it's not going to be quite as messy, and your cutting speed is going to be a little bit faster. Third method of flushing that we found works the best is submerging the drill point along with some kind of flow of water over the top of the piece. The kit does come with a magnetic flushing accessory here with some snap line and a 5/8 inch hose connector. Biggest advantage with this is it's less of a mess, it does cut a little bit faster, and it keeps the top of the workpiece cleaner. You can see now we got a hole down the center of our 1/4 tap. Get the pieces out, tip it over, knock them out. Threads in the hole are still perfectly fine, and there's your 3 flutes.